Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install and configure Active Directory domain services on Windows Server 2025, step by step. Let's dive in and get your domain controller up and running. First, make sure your server is properly configured with a static IP address and a meaningful host name. This is essential for Active Directory to function reliably in a networked environment. Now, open Server Manager. Click on Add Roles and Features. In the wizard, click Next until you reach the Server Roles section. From here, select Active Directory Domain Services. Click Add Features when prompted, and then proceed through the wizard, clicking Next until you can click Install. The installation may take a few minutes. Once the role is installed, you'll see a notification flag in Server Manager. Click it and select Promote this server to a domain controller. Choose Add a new forest if this is your first domain. Enter your root domain name, for example, test.local. On the next screen, choose a Directory Services Restore Mode password and continue. You can keep most of the default settings unless you have specific requirements. Review your selections, then click Install. The server will automatically reboot after the promotion completes. After the reboot, log in using the domain credentials. Open Server Manager, go to Tools, and select Active Directory Users and Computers to confirm everything is running. You now have a functioning domain controller on Windows Server 2025. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured Active Directory on Windows Server 2025. A forward lookup zone is where DNS maps a domain name, like test.local, to an IP address. It's the foundation for name resolution inside your network. You can also add records like A, CNAME, and MX to direct traffic within your domain. Go to Server Manager, click Tools, and select DNS to open DNS Manager. Expand your server's name and right-click on Forward Lookup Zones, then choose New Zone. The New Zone wizard will open. Click Next and choose Primary Zone. If this is your first zone, leave the replication scope set to all DNS servers in this domain. Then click Next. Now enter your zone name. This is your domain name, like corp.local or mycompany.com. Click Next and accept the default option to create a new zone file. Leave dynamic updates set to allow only secure dynamic updates, then click Finish. Now that the zone is created, it's time to add some records. Right-click on the zone name and choose New Host, A or AAA. Let's verify that DNS is working. Open Command Prompt and type nslookup test.local. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the IP address you just configured. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.